Good morning. Well, we're on day number 4 of our starter. It's all exciting now. So we're going to have a look. And first one in there, as you'll see, it's changing again. There's lots of little bubbles in there. So that's fermenting away all nicely. You might start to tell now it's kind of got a bit of a smell going on there as it's doing its thing. The fermentation process is underway. We're making lots and lots of yeast and stuff in there. It's our sourdough starter is doing its thing, which is just what we want. So today, day number 4, I said it was going to be slightly different. We're going to take some away today. So we're going to take half of it away. So I think by my calculation we've done 220. I think we put in total 100 and then 60, yeah, 220. So we're going to take half of it away, and in my fashion you can do it by eye, but I'm going to wait. So I'm going to take 110 grams out of the jar, and at this stage it's quite runny. It's actually going to pour out the jar, which is good. So it's actually changed from like a stiff consistency, and it's changed to a looser one, which I think somewhere down the line, I'm sure I've read, when it starts to change consistently like that, it means it's hungry, it wants feeding. Told you it was like a little baby, didn't I? Right, so it's dinner time for the sourdough, day number 4. So we've took half of it away, which looks about half, and it is because I've measured it. We're going to stick that back on there, and we're going to revert back to adding now. So now we're going to add 30 grams of flour. So we've took half out, 110 grams. Doesn't matter if it's a bit more, a bit less, really doesn't matter. Just about half. That's all that counts. They say, well, let's make this easy. Let's not make this more complicated than it needs to be. And we're going to put 30 grams of flour in. So let's go. Go at that rate, I'm going to be quite a while. Let's up the ante in bigger spoonfuls there, I think. There we go, 29, 30. Nearly. Go on. These scales, I'm sure they're sticking, you know. I'm sure, because it goes from 29 and then it's, there we go, 30. There we go. I like my grams. I like my grams, you'll know that by now. And we're going to stick 30 water in as well. And then we're going to give it a mix. So let's take it up to our little 60 mark. I thought I'd catch you out yesterday with a 70, but I'm sure you spotted that straight away. You're too clever, you lot. Too clever by far. Which means that you should be doing this and not me. Right, let's give it a stir. Get rid of the dry flour. Scrape it down the sides, and that's thickened up nicely in there. Like I say, it's changed in smell today. It's changed in texture and appearance today. It's still bubbly, so it's doing its thing. But just to let you know, now we've taken some out and added some fresh, you may find at this point it doesn't quite look as though it was doing the same kind of in the bubbling and the activity as before. That's normal, that's fine, that's absolutely fine. So if you're looking at it and thinking, oh, something's gone wrong with this, it's not doing like the other one did yesterday or the day before, don't worry, it's all part of the process. Stick with it. So lid on loosely, or you can use one of those fabric covers if you've got one of those. Probably better the fabric covers, it just allows it to breathe. But for the sake of just ease, I'm just using this jar which has got a loose lid on, or if you're putting it on, just don't kind of screw it on, just leave it loose a little bit on the top, just allow it to breathe. That's all we want. So it's doing its thing. We'll be back tomorrow, day 5, all exciting stuff. Like I say, if you don't see anything happening, don't worry about it, it's all good. All in the world is good. So today, I was making fudgies yesterday, I'm going to make fudgies again today. There seemed to be a bit of a hit going on, not just with us, but on another site I'm on, just a B-row site I post some stuff on. And I'm going to do a video. So I thought, but might as well, if I'm going to do it, let's make a video at the same time. It's just as easy. Anyway, keep me company. You'll keep me company while I'm doing it. So for now, day 4 down, and tomorrow we'll look again, and we're all good to go. So until tomorrow, have a nice day. See you then. Bye for now.